Hello. Welcome to concepts.pk. So today we are trying to develop a Google app that enables us to transfer data to our Google Drive without even signing in. So let's get started. For that, first you need to sign in to your Google account. I already have signed into my Google account and go to your Google Drive. From here, you can find your drive here. Okay, I want everyone to send data to this drive. Okay, for that you just need to right click, open Google app script. So for this project I need name it as upload data.js. This is the js file where you will write your code. I have already written my code here, so I just need to copy this one and paste it here. This code is available on my website concepts.pk. Okay, for to execute this code we need a HTML file. For that I'll go here, create HTML file. Its name will be upload file. I need to copy this name. Okay, the same name, same file you created here, you will write the name here, upload file.html. Okay, this HTML code I already have developed. It is also available on my website. Copy this one and paste it here. That's pretty much done. So just click on deploy, new deployment, and add a web app. Name can be file upload, and I want to access this app to everyone. Okay, deploy, authorize access. Okay, just click advanced and go to your project. Okay, click allow. No, it's complete. Just copy this one and try to open it in another browser. Here I am not signed into any of my account. So this is a beautiful little form that I have created, and here I can upload file. Let's try to upload some file. Just click your name, and like my name is Farhan, class is EET, code name may be CS1. So upload a file. You can upload any file. Here I can add any file. Let upload this file. And click upload file. Okay, the file is successfully uploaded and you are seeing this message. Okay, to check this file, when you go to your Google Drive, just close this app. Okay, you will see a new folder is created that named public HTML uploads. Open this, and here is the file you just uploaded. The detail you have given will be available here. you can see its type is PDF. This is the 1.1 MB size and uploaded by Farhan. Code is EET and CS1. So you will find all data available here. Okay. One more thing, uh, the link address is very long, so you can shorten it by using tinyurl or any other URL. uh, any other uh, website that can shorten this code, so it will be easily accessible. So enter your long code. So I can see public uploads, it might take time, few seconds. Okay, now this long code is converted to this small little code, tinyurl.com/public uploads 2233. So when you open it, it will directly go to your app and you can share this code with anyone you want. That thank you.